डायमंड नेकलेस है ना, एक मोटा एंड लॉन्ग।
अरे तो फ्लैश आएगी ना भाई।
थोड़ा पीछे आओ ना प्लीज। जगह नहीं। थोड़ा पीछे आओ ना।
Excuse me, gentlemen, लेकिन मागे या ना।
हस्बैंड कैन वेयर।
Thankful to you all, but my association with PN Gadgil is not only now and immediate, but it's been for many, many years. There are times when everyone has a family jeweler, right? But to have a jewelry or a jeweler that has a family legacy along with your family is a very big thing. And PN Gadgil is such a family for me because, as you know, it's not only a jewelry store that has opened just yesterday. They have a legacy of hundreds and hundreds of years coming down from their great grandfathers. And as you can see with their success story, it speaks its own language. The success of the check which looks good on you on your own photograph and then buy. नहीं तो हम लोग आईने के सामने लेके बैठे रहते हैं, इयररिंग्स लगा के देखते रहते हैं, अपने सहेलियों से पूछते रहते हैं. आजकल तो फोटोग्राफ सेल्फी लेके फिर व्हाट्सएप करते हैं, पहले ये लूँ कि नहीं लूँ. So, but I think ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक आइडिया है कि जहाँ आप अपने आप को ही देख सकते हैं. You can take the jewel fee and figure out कि whether this is something that you should be buying or no. So the thing is that besides being smart, innovative, they are also a family legacy which has sort of got trust over the years, built up faith, which is very, very important because today when you go to buy jewelry, you're putting your hard-earned money or buying something. We have, children whom we need to get married off to. We start collecting our jewelry from now. At least I have. I don't know how many of you have already started collecting your jewelry for your kids. So it is something that is very necessary, a great thing to happen. I think Saurav, and I congratulate you also, for thinking of such a great software. Yeah, because these are things which are very, very useful in today's day and age. Congratulations to you. I know you are on American time right now. So it is prime time right now. This is your deep in sleep, but still. Any questions for anyone from the media for us? I guess no. Unless you want to try on jewelry. Are, hi, how are you?
So, रवीना बहुत इंतजार कराया. ईद के पहले ईद का चांद रवीना.
अच्छा है ना, चांद तो हूँ सर. एक अच्छी बात तो कही.
Okay, Ravina, so being a Bollywood celebrity and a
But normally I'm never late. This is the first time. But like I said, unfortunately, actually, I'm not well today. So it took me time to kind of do everything together. So I'm still sniffing and I'm still a little under the weather. So forgive me today, this time.
Being a public figure and an actor as well, so you have some extra sort of affection and love for jewelry?
I think being a woman, basically, it has nothing to do whether you're a star or a celebrity and something. And nowadays, I feel more than anyone else, people actually buy jewelry also as investment. It's a necessity. Today, even the government offers you schemes where you buy gold because these are things that never go down. These are things which are priceless. Today, I'm not sure whether you're married or no. Are you married? No. No, na? The day you will get married, that day also you start thinking, मैं बीवी को क्या married and I have to give it to my bahu. It will be really bloody expensive. So I feel it is also the right kind of investment, but with the right people. There are so many times, I'll tell you, in the past when I have bought jewelry at some different stores and there's been no ISI mark on it or no gold mark on it, and today when I see, I come to know it's 17 karat gold. So buy at a jeweler whom you feel has that credibility and you trust. That's very important, and that is why my association basically with PN Gadgil.
About this try-on initiative, how beneficial it's going to be for jewelry business?
I think I started my whole talk with you all only by mentioning that I think it's a great idea.
कहाँ तो आपको गिफ्ट लेना पसंद है या देना पसंद है ज्वेलरीज?
बहुत कठिन सवाल है. No. See, like my mom's birthday and my mom-in-law's birthday and everything, I love giving also. I love to give gifts and I love accepting gifts also. So when a small pair of earrings or a small ring, it's something which is useful. It is value for money, you know.
Apart family, Bollywood friends.
Sorry?
No Bollywood friends involved in that. लेने में और देने में.
I don't understand. What did you say?
Apart family, no Bollywood friends involved in that, giving jewelries or taking jewelries.
Of course we do, but I don't think I'm going to sit and now make a list. During my wedding, I got a lot of gifts from a lot of my so-called Bollywood friends, like you say. But I don't distinctly remember now.
रीना, ऐसा लगा आपने बताया कि लॉकेट आपने जब देखा?
मैंने PN Gadgil के बहुत सारे ranges launch किए हैं, and the very
Each celebrity has a role to play in the brand endorsement. So, there is no confusion here at all. We're looking at international expansion. We have separate for diamond, separate for silver, for gold. So, उसमें हर एक का अलग-अलग role होता है, and it's a very mutually cordial relationship. इसमें झगड़ा बेटा कुछ नहीं है. And as a brand, everyone is very important for us, and we all are a family. Is all I'll say.
Hello. In our account?
It's a good question. I think
Is it accessible by anyone?
1 minute.
Absolutely safe. In fact, this platform is one of the most secure.
Ask their friend, jewelry कैसी है, मैं ले लूँ क्या? So this can now be done on social media, and once you are here, once your profile, it can be the entire world at your feet. You can ask people around the world. You can, get comments, and it can also help you in making right jewelry purchase.
So will this feature be introduced in all your stores, like the trial feature?
Yeah. So what we're doing is in every store we have a kiosk, like a bank ATM.
Yes.
It will be like a small section which will be covered. Because this takes around 20 minutes for it to happen. So when you come there, you click a picture, browse the entire gallery, select the neck piece, select the earpiece. So it will be like a small cabin in every store.
In every store.
Plus, we're looking at doing it in various malls all over India.
Okay, so you all will tie up with malls.
So malls mein jayega, it will be in multiplexes.
Okay.
So wherever there is, where people interact, where people spend time, it will be at those places.
Yeah.
So I think with this kind of introduction, we would be
come to a store and
exactly.
try out
It will also lead to a lot of people who have not been to PNG to look at this thing.
Okay.
It will also lead to a mobile store format. In cities which are not there, people can buy our products there, see our products there.
Okay.
It's also done on a van. We can like a mobile van which also has this
Mobile van, so
feature.
where they come.
So the talk on the movie thing. On PNG, we are doing a store launch day after tomorrow in Pune. It's going to be a store in Pune behind the Phoenix Mall.